We'll guide you through how to set any sound or song as an alarm on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and have your own sound. You may be bored of the current one and so you want to go and change it to something custom. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide, don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So what we can do is we can go and swipe up like so. Now what we need to do is go and find the option for clock and we can go and tap there. This will then open up. You can press alarm in the bottom left. Now what you can do is come to the top right and you're going to go and find the plus, which you can tap. This then opens and you can go and choose a time you want to get it to go off. You can then go and choose when. I'll just have it set to tomorrow. Now what's super important is you come down to alarm sound. That needs to go and be switched on and you can then go and tap alarm sound and we can change it. So you can make sure that you have ringtone selected and tap that there and it will open up. Now you need to press the plus in the top right. You need to make sure you've got the sound on your device, of course, to go and find it. So I just went and downloaded one from a website called Pixabay. You can get them from other sites as well. And you can browse through different tracks. Press forward in the bottom right and you can locate it as well. I come to my downloads and the one I'm doing this with is this one here. When you tap on it, you can hear how it sounds and then we can press done in the top right and that's it there. Then you can press back in the top left and press back again. Choose if you want to the vibration, the snooze in the background, or press save and that's it. When the alarm goes off, that'll be what's played.